Welcome to the New York City SkillsUSA Winter Leadership, where students don't just show up, they step up.
This conference brings the best from national and state leadership experiences right back to New York City, turning inspiration into action.
Here, you'll build real leadership skills, practice professional teamwork, and design chapter plans you can take home and launch immediately.
Whether it's service, career readiness, or stronger technical and workplace skills, this is where future leaders get built. Now, let's get into it.
Two.